guys, welcome back to the channel, and again I'm with my clan. We have the 2v2 touchdown draft and I have Venom again. Venom is with me in a call.
2v2 fight.
And I also have my friend
oh, Golem or Lava Hound? I think so, Lava Hound.
Yeah, Lava Hound is better.
Yeah, and it will go from S. Okay, Bowler or E-Drag?
And I have my other friend,
E-Drag.
Bowler or E-Drag. Take E-Drag.
E-Drag.
And I also have my other friend from the clan.
Zap or Tornado?
Clash
I
Master.
think so we should take Zap or Tornado? I think so, Tornado.
Tornado, yeah. You take Tornado.
It will take off
Yeah.
Breaker.
Okay.
Fernance or Goblin Hut? Goblin Hut.
Goblin Hut. No, actually you should have taken Furnace. Okay.
Not Furnace.
Let's hope I have Hog Rider. Oh, Nitish, I have Captain America.
Okay.
And Elixir Golem. And Battle Ram also.
I'm starting a Hawaii Zida.
Okay, I need X-Bow quickly. X-Bow.
Hawaii Zida will do it.
X-Bow. Arey bhai, Elixir Golemite connecting. Elixir Blob connects. That's why you should always take Elixir Golem.
Arey, what is Slash doing? Slash.
Okay, X-Bow. Oh no.
Yes, Hog.
Oh no. Pull. Yeah, good pull. Earthquake. Okay, very nice. You should have saved the tornado. Executioner.
Balloon को मैं देख लूँगा, मेरे पास है.
E-Drag. I have Witch also. I'll put Witch.
ओए भाई फर्नांड का ये जा रहा है ओए.
Witch. अरे भाई Miner.
My Miner connects.
And it's not Fernance, it's Furnace. Battle Ram.
का नाम नहीं पता. Okay, I'll see this. अर्ना डाल. Hello.
Okay, we lost. He raged. Hog connects.
मैं wall breaker पर half the way, dude.
Okay, let's go.
Miner luck.
And Elixir Golem. Arey, put it on this side. Yeah. Okay, I have hunter for air. Ooh, no. Hogs are acting. Pull. Good pull. You should have pulled it more. Left, right. Hog Rider. X-Bow. Oh, let's go. Elixir Blob.
My Miner was also over there.
Okay. Clash Master. Also, I 1v1 this guy whose life is cricket and he keeps commenting, and I defeated him.
That is secret.
Prabhav, join. Arey, go on mute. Let me invite Prabhav. Share to clan. Okay. You joined? Okay. Giant or Lava Hound? Princess. Oh, you have Hog Rider. Very good. Royal Hogs.
A motor or an X-Bow?
X-Bow. And I should have taken Log or Rage. I took Log. For the Dart Goblin and the Wall Breakers.
This is hard.
This guy also has
It's Bar Barrel or Mirror? I go Bar Barrel.
Bar Barrel. Mirror is not so useful.
And Lightning or Zap?
Lightning.
Arey, this guy has Mega Knight.
Arey, it's fine. Who has Mega Knight? How do you know he has Mega Knight?
Mega Knight.
Arey, I'm battling.
We don't mind.
He has Mega
You're
Knight.
battling the... Nitish, seriously?
Okay, you're not spectating, right?
I'm rushing with Hogs.
Okay, I go Balloon.
I lose trophy. I lose.
Okay, he has a giant. I have E-Pop.
Hogs will connect. Hogs will connect. Hogs connect. Easy win.
No.
Oh, connected the easy one.
Yeah, hogs are OP, dude.
I'm gonna send Hog Rider.
Start with the.
Okay, I'll go send it.
Stone right about here.
I go Expo. Expo is a very large.
We need something for those wall breakers. We need something for the. Okay. Hog connects. Hog connects.
Prince connects.
Hog Rider.
Nitish, shut up. We're playing 2v2 draft here and you're. Okay. Rushing with the lava hound, princess in the back. Goblin hut.
I lied. Okay, I just use Viva.
Yeah, use
Oh,
Viva.
level 10 lumberjack. Oh my god. I go mega minion for that.
Yeah,
Wait,
okay.
God.
He's a
Going
wizard.
NX versus Meta Knight.
Shall I fireball the wizard?
Yeah. Fireball the. Log.
Oh. Wall breaker. Oh my god. That was...
Lava hounds will connect. Lava pups
The
don't.
dart
connect.
goblin and army.
That goblin is fine.
Okay,
I'll have ice wizard for that minion.
I didn't have it.
Car.
Yeah, I'm going to lightning the attack.
Oh, close.
Nothing else.
I have
Dart gobi.
Go for it. The minion.
Oh, they're connecting.
Okay, I'll just.
You got late. Okay, no problem. We need only 1 crown. And I have hogs in cycle. So I can just straight away hog and we'll win.
But Hog Rider. Okay, Hog Rider. I have Eva.
Okay. Hogs connect. We won. Boom.
This
Easy
is
win.
very easy.
I have double skeleton army.
Rabaf, come on.
He forgets that I have a
Very.
mirror also.
Okay. Very nice, Nitish.
I think it's time
How's
for
your party going?
yeah.
Oh shoot, I had to take balloon.
Time for Meta Knight. Okay.
E-bubs. I had to take balloons, yeah. Magic Archer.
Giant or golem? Should I go golem instead of giant?
Kya? What or what?
Giant or golem?
Giant.
Okay, I go giant. And I go bowler instead of the mega minion, right?
Yeah. No. Mega Minion. I have Magic Archer. Yeah, okay. Take bowler.
Yes. Instead of skeleton barrel because I don't have
Oh,
any
come,
defense.
guys.
Arey, I had Magic Archer na. Okay, no problem. Give me something
Wait,
rushy.
good.
I have nothing rushy.
The giant.
Come on, guys.
Is it
One hit, one hit.
Princess.
Oh,
They do it exactly.
baby did.
Okay, I'll use the minions to counter that.
Wait, I'm coming. Just
The
taking
bowler.
I got the emote. I got the
Big two.
Zappy's here.
That's the emote.
And I'll go archer.
Left
very-
side.
I'm going to get
Left side. Check the left side.
And I don't have any defense. I have Magic
Archer.
Okay, you have the magic card. Oh god, the cannon card. I need my friends.
Mega Minion with correct.
Okay, good. Yeah, we got this. We have a lot. Yeah, okay. Done.
Can you use minions for the mega minion?
Boom.
And the Zappy's connect.
Zappies
Oh,
connect.
Zappies.
Those were my Zappies.
Have you started another?
I have absolutely nothing rushy except for.
I have the battle ram. He has the goblin. Okay, I'll use the expo.
Arey, I did wall breakers wrong side.
He has the royal pig.
Hogs incoming. Tesla plant.
Yeah, I'll use minions.
Arey yaar. Oh, lava hound is going. Okay, bats are connecting. We need something for that
One
golem.
great lava hound. Oh no! I got archers. How to go golem?
Lava pups connect. Come on. Lava pups will die. Any golem will connect. Shoot, man.
Dude, I have taken golem.
He really didn't. Who is the skeleton man?
Oh, bhai, they have the Inferno emote.
They have OP emotes. And okay, I'll go with the giant, the other lane. We'll push double lane. Hog Rider, we have the bowler for the Hog Rider.
Okay.
No, you need something.
The bowler
Yeah, I don't.
just...
Oh
I
no.
told you Hog will connect. Bowler can't do it in touchdown.
Okay, let's rush with
Okay, I'll rush with the
E-bar.
battle ram the other side.
So much.
Let's put
Now I have the prince.
Tesla. Miss your rocket.
I
Arey, Dilla, get input 2 of their cards. Okay.
Oh, battle ram.
Mega Minion coming right side.
Yeah, he got that.
The Night Witch, you have Magic Archer. Oh, Magic Archer is doing the wrong thing. I'll go Prince for the Night Witch.
Right side. Input.
Right side is fine. I got the right
Hogs.
side.
Arey, hogs are coming.
I'll go
Hogs.
Footer.
And your tail side what? Another what?
It's
They
Tesla,
have
bro.
put 2 of their cards. I think so.
Yeah, I'll use Expo for that. Oh!
They almost got Expo
was
value.
saved like a rocket.
Near, bhai. Too close.
Golem!
Golem is coming. Dead.
What Raspu? I mean Raspu, what's it called? I'll use Prince. Yes,
Right side incoming also.
Arey, they've got too many buildings. We don't have buildings. Nitesh, I'm playing with you after this, okay?
I have an Expo ready. But I don't know how to counter this.
What, they won? Acha, हाँ, they won.
It's
Okay,
so
Nitish,
angry.
come. Oh, they have the hog emote also. Nitish,
Whatever I am OP.
Nitish,
What's the time for the vivid?
it's 11 minutes.
So we can play one more.
This is the last one. Nitish,
Yeah.
come.
Are you sent na? There
I
is no
sent
one.
it.
I can't see anyone. Wait, I'll send them.
Acha, fine, you send it.
I can see it now. Oh, it's got removed.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, bhai. Arey, yaar, I had to take giant skeleton. I always misclick.
Which or cannon card?
Huh? What or what?
Which or cannon card?
Which? Obviously, which? It's a spawner.
Yeah.
And the skeletons can
Or
connect.
giant skeleton.
Huh? Log.
Lava hound or giant skeleton?
Giant skeleton, take giant skeleton.
I think they should go for Giant Skeleton.
Giant skeleton is better.
Only I am left. Barbarian.
It's a goblin giant, not a giant skeleton.
Oh, sorry.
What's your last choice?
Tesla or Barbarian Hut?
Barbarian Hut.
Okay, Barbarian Hut.
But your deck is a bit heavy, so you won't be able to cycle well.
No, I'm good in cycling.
Venom, you just gave them.
I have for
I have Hogs. I also have Inferno. I have Elixir Golem also. Why are you logging? What are you logging?
I don't know. Left side.
Left side. I got an E-Drag.
I got an
Ooh, E-Drag plus Inferno. Nice. Okay, we've got a lot of incoming on the right side. Put guards quick. Ram Rider. Bomb tower I have. Rush with the battle ram. They don't have buildings. Rush with the battle ram on the right. Good. Go with
I
the
think the
Elixir
Inferno
Golem.
will connect. No.
Arey yaar, you should have done battle ram on the extreme right.
Log got wasted. Okay. I'm saving Elixir for the Barb Hut.
Okay.
Barb Hut.
What do we do about the executioner?
It will get blasted.
Barb now. We go with. Arey, they have Prince. What do we do about the Prince? They've got a lot of stuff.
Wall breaker.
Wall breaker. Oh shoot.
They had Zappies also coming from the right side.
Ninja tabs. Okay. Royal Hogs rush. Bomb tower. Yeah, they keep snowballing us. Don't log. What are you logging for? Are you stupid or something?
I don't know. I just log.
Oh! That was a close one.
Goblin giant idiot. You went by mistake. Ram coming.
I got an Inferno. Bomb blast.
Nah.
0 value. Okay. Yeah, just hold them right there. I'll poison. Hold them there. Good. Okay, I'll go for a minion herd. Quick.
Captain America incoming.
How is he Captain America? I don't understand. They've got mirror. I should have taken mirror. अरे यार, hogs wrong side. We lost. Can't win. What are you logging? Are you?
Executioner is a damn annoying card.
I'm not even look.
There's a balloon incoming.
And I have nothing for the balloon. Barbar, कुछ do something.
कुछ do
For the
something.
tower.
कुछ do something.
Should I log these things? Log.
हाँ, log all of that.
You can try using your E-Dragon.
Who, me?
Ah, Arnav. Dead.
अरे यार, they won. कोई नहीं, not bad. No. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you like the video, don't forget to like it, and if you want more videos like these, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.